What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to create a email list from the scratch in the Mailchimp. For that, the process is very simple, easy, and to the point. I'll be telling you guys step by step so you guys know exactly what you need to do from the scratch if you have a business. So what you have to do is to head up to mailchimp.com and sign in with your email address. I have that, so I'll be providing the link in the description so you guys can check it out. Once you have set up your account, you will get a default audience list over here. When you click on that, your contacts will show up here. You'll see that I don't have any contacts ready. The other thing is, one thing is that you need to know that you must need to upload your business details accurately because it will show up in each email. So upload the contact that will build up your audience. So you can either use a CSV file or copy paste the text from some spreadsheet right here. So once you're done with that, obviously you need a form, which is a sign-up form for everybody so that they can access it. So go to the forms and create one. Like over here, you can search between different sort of uh, templates, create a mobile form, and here you go. So it's a pop-up form, it's a little bring up so they can add your email address and all that stuff. And then all you have to do is just to have a website. If you don't have a website, that is alright. We can do that for you. And what we have to do is to create a landing page. In order to create a landing page, what you have to do is just to go to the website. So what you have to do is to go to the campaigns and then email database and then create from scratch. So here you can go to the campaigns and here you can see that there is a create option and there is a landing page option. You can have your landing page so that you can directly have your landing page. So these are the steps that you need to follow in order to actually build a email list from the scratch on the Mailchimp. Step by step. First, you create a audience, then you create a sign form, and then you create a landing page. So they can. This is the proper process to do. I have a fan to do. I'm going to do this. Subscribe to our channel. Take care.